Hi, my name is Mia Stelling, and in today's 30 on 3D, I'm going to introduce our service team. Max Semco manages all of our service contracts and makes sure your printer is always running smoothly. Jason Brown and Jason Lasinovich provide active phone support, and in addition to troubleshooting, they regularly maintain our customers' printers and provide preventative maintenance as well. At Purple Platypus, we are dedicated to superior customer service. To learn about your service contract options, please contact us today. Thank you.